In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock people on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Messenger app. Once it is done, tap right here at these three lines and then tap at that gear to head over to Settings. On Settings, we need to tap at Privacy and Safety. And after that, here we can easily find blocked accounts. And that's where we can easily find all the users we have blocked in Messenger and on Facebook. And then to unblock a user, first off, we need to tap on it, just like that. Here, as you can see, I have to first off unblock that user on Facebook by tapping right here. And after that, this user becomes unblocked on Messenger as well. However, we can now tap right here to block them again, but just on Messenger. If it says here, if it allows you here to unblock that user by tapping right there, it means that this particular user blocked by you just on Messenger, because block on Facebook option is not active now. Then you just need to tap right here at unblock messages and calls to unblock that particular user on Facebook Messenger. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.